Welcome to our guide on unlocking the potential of Fiverr, the online freelance marketplace that can transform your income. In this video, we'll delve into the exciting world of Fiverr and show you how anyone, regardless of their skill set, can start earning money online. Fiverr offers a vast array of freelance services, ranging from writing and graphic design to digital marketing and beyond. The beauty of Fiverr lies in its inclusivity. You don't need any special skills to get started. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a complete novice, you have the opportunity to tap into this platform and generate a substantial income. Imagine making $100 or more per day from the comfort of your own home, all while doing something you enjoy or excel at. It's not just a dream, it's a reality we're about to explore together. So, let's embark on this Fiverr journey and unlock the secrets to financial success. Introduction to Fiverr. Now that you're eager to jump into the world of Fiverr, it's time to take the first step, signing up on the platform. In this part of our video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to create your Fiverr account using your preferred method, be it Facebook, Google, or email. Signing up on Fiverr is the gateway to accessing countless opportunities to earn money, and we're here to make the process as seamless as possible. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone who's just getting started in the online freelance world, our guide will walk you through every detail. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own Fiverr account ready to explore the vast marketplace of services and start your journey towards financial independence. So, let's get started on creating your Fiverr account. It's easier than you might think. Low competition gig number 1, Mockups. We're diving into a low competition gig opportunity that has the potential to boost your earnings on Fiverr. Mockups. We'll start by explaining what a mockup gig is and why it's a lucrative choice. A mockup gig involves creating visually appealing representations of products or designs. Businesses and individuals often require mockups for their marketing materials, websites, or product presentations. The beauty of this gig is that it doesn't require specialized skills. With the right approach and tools, anyone can excel at it. We'll then guide you through the process of finding mockup gigs on Fiverr. It's essential to know how to search effectively and filter your result to discover gigs that have less competition, making it easier for you to stand out. Next, we'll analyze successful mockup gigs and their earnings. We'll show you real-life examples of Fiverr freelancers who have carved out a niche in this area and are earning a significant income. You'll gain valuable insights into what makes their gigs successful, helping you replicate their strategies. To make it even more accessible, we'll introduce you to free tools for creating mockups. You don't need to invest in expensive software. There are plenty of user-friendly and cost-effective options available that can help you produce stunning mockups to attract clients. Creating mockup gigs. Now that you're familiar with the potential of mockup gigs on Fiverr, it's time to take action and create your own. In this section, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to create mockup gigs, along with valuable tips and strategies for optimizing your gig description, setting the right pricing, and standing out in this low-competition niche. First, we'll walk you through the process of creating mockup gigs on Fiverr, ensuring that you cover all the essential details. You'll learn how to craft an attractive gig title, choose relevant tags, and create an eye-catching gig image that grabs potential clients' attention. Next, we'll delve into the crucial aspects of optimizing your gig description. Crafting a compelling gig description is key to convincing potential buyers that you're the right person for the job. We'll share tips on how to highlight your skills, showcase your portfolio, and use persuasive language to attract clients. Pricing can be a challenging aspect for many freelancers, but we'll help you navigate it effectively. We'll provide insights into how to set competitive yet profitable prices for your mockup gigs. You'll gain a better understanding of pricing strategies that can help you secure orders. Standing out in a low competition niche is where your success truly lies. We'll share strategies that can make you the go-to freelancer for mockup services. This includes offering exceptional customer service, delivering high-quality work consistently, and building a strong reputation on Fiverr. Low competition gig number 2, background removal. Now that you've explored the potential of background removal gigs on Fiverr, it's time to take the next step and create your own. In this section, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to create background removal gigs, along with essential tips on delivering top-quality results to clients and effectively managing their expectations. We'll kick things off with a comprehensive guide on creating background removal gigs on Fiverr. You'll learn how to craft an attention-grabbing gig title, choose relevant tags, and create a compelling gig image that entices potential clients. However, delivering high-quality results is the key to building a successful freelance career. We'll share tips and techniques to ensure that your background removal work stands out. From using precise selection tools to paying attention to detail, we'll cover the practices that will make your work shine. Effective communication is crucial when dealing with clients. We'll guide you on how to manage customer expectations and handle revisions professionally. You'll discover how to set clear boundaries, provide excellent customer service, and address client feedback constructively. Eventually, you'll be well prepared to create and manage background removal gigs that not only attract clients, but also ensure your success on Fiverr. So, let's get started on your journey to becoming a trusted background removal expert. Creating background removal gigs. Now that you've explored the potential of background removal gigs on Fiverr, it's time to take the next step and create your own. In this section, we'll provide you with a step by step guide on how to create background removal gigs, along with essential tips on delivering top quality results to clients and effectively managing their expectations. We'll kick things off with a comprehensive guide on creating background removal gigs on Fiverr. You learn how to craft an attention grabbing gig title, choose relevant tags, and create a compelling gig image that entices potential clients. However, delivering high quality results is the key to building a successful freelance career. We'll share tips and techniques to ensure that your background removal work stands out. From using precise selection tools to paying attention to detail, we'll cover the details that will make your work shine. Effective communication is crucial when dealing with clients. We'll guide you on how to manage customer expectations and handle revisions professionally. You'll discover how to set clear boundaries, provide excellent customer service, and address client feedback constructively. Low competition gig number 3, website testing. We're uncovering yet another low competition gig opportunity on Fiverr, website testing. We'll start by introducing you to the potential of this gig and why it's a promising avenue to explore. Website testing gigs involve evaluating websites or web applications for usability, functionality, and user experience. Companies and individuals often seek this service to ensure their websites are user friendly and error free. What's great about this gig is that it doesn't require any specialized skills. All you need is an eye for detail and the ability to provide valuable feedback. Next, we'll guide you through the process of finding website testing gigs on Fiverr. We'll demonstrate how to search efficiently and filter results to discover gigs with less competition, giving you the chance to establish your presence in this niche. We'll also delve into the world of successful website testing gigs and their earnings. You'll gain insights into what sets these gigs apart and how you can replicate their success. To equip you with the necessary skills, we'll provide detailed information on how to conduct website testing and offer valuable feedback. You'll learn about the essential aspects to look for when evaluating websites, how to provide constructive criticism, and how to communicate your findings effectively. Expanding your freelancing business. As you continue to build your freelancing career, it's important to explore ways to expand your horizons and maximize your income. In this section, we'll provide guidance on how to do just that. One effective strategy is offering your services on multiple freelancing platforms. While Fiverr is a fantastic starting point, there are other platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Guru that can provide additional opportunities to connect with clients and earn income. We'll offer tips on how to effectively manage your presence on multiple platforms without spreading yourself too thin. Effective order management is crucial as your freelancing business grows. We'll share valuable insights into how to handle multiple orders efficiently, ensuring that you maintain a high level of quality and meet deadlines consistently. You'll also learn strategies for scaling your income, such as setting clear pricing structures and offering package deals to attract more clients. In addition to freelancing, we'll encourage you to explore additional methods of making money online. This could include creating and selling digital products, affiliate marketing, or even starting your own blog or YouTube channel. Diversifying your income streams can provide stability and help you achieve your financial goals faster. Now that you've been equipped with the knowledge and tools to excel on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, it's time to take action. Start by creating your gig or gigs, whether it's in mockups, background removal, website testing, or any other niche that interests you. Don't let hesitation hold you back. The journey to financial independence begins with that first step. Remember to subscribe to our channel High Access and click the notification bell so you never miss out our latest updates. We'll continue to provide you with valuable insights and strategies to further your freelancing career. Additionally, share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Have you started freelancing already or are you planning to? Your stories and questions are not only valuable to us but also to the entire High Access community. Let's learn and grow together. Now, let's explore some key suggestions for success in the world of freelancing. Suggestions for success. Continuous learning. The freelance landscape evolves rapidly. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques related to your niche. Invest time in learning and improve your skills. Exceptional customer service. Providing excellent customer service is the foundation of a successful freelancing career. Respond promptly, communicate clearly, and be attentive to your clients' needs. Portfolio building. Create a robust portfolio showcasing your best work. Clients often make decisions based on your previous projects, so make sure your portfolio reflects your skills and professionalism. Networking. Connect with fellow freelancers and potential clients on social media platforms and freelance forums. Networking can lead to valuable collaborations and job opportunities. Pricing strategy. Be competitive with your pricing, but don't undervalue your work. Consider offering different packages to cater to various client budgets. Time management. Efficiently manage your time to meet deadlines and handle multiple orders. Tools like calendars and task lists can be invaluable in staying organized. Feedback integration. Use client feedback as a tool for improvement. Constructive criticism can help you refine your skills and build a stellar reputation. Diversification. Don't rely solely on one freelancing platform or service. Exploring multiple avenues of income, such as digital product sales or affiliate marketing, can provide stability. Persistence. Freelancing can be challenging at times, but persistence pays off. Keep pushing through obstacles and setbacks, and you'll see your hard work yield results. Believe in yourself. Lastly, believe in your abilities and the value you bring to clients. Confidence in your skills will not only attract clients, but also motivate you to reach new heights in your freelancing career. With these suggestions in mind, you're well on your way to a successful and fulfilling freelancing journey. Remember, your financial goals are attainable and the freelance world is brimming with opportunities. Embrace the adventure, stay motivated, and enjoy the ride to success. As we conclude this in depth exploration of freelancing and the incredible opportunities it offers, we sincerely hope you found this video series, High Access, to be both informative and inspiring. Embarking on your freelancing journey, whether through Fiverr or other platforms, can open doors to financial independence and personal fulfillment. Throughout this video series, we've shed light on the potential of low competition gig opportunities like mockups, background removal, and website testing. We've provided you with practical tips, step by step guidance, and real life examples to help you carve your path in the world of freelancing. The key to success lies not only in the gigs you choose, but also in your dedication, willingness to learn, and commitment to delivering exceptional work. Remember that every successful freelancer started somewhere, and every order completed is a step closer to your financial goals. As you continue your freelancing journey, we encourage you to explore multiple platforms, diversify your skills, and consider other avenues of generating income online. Building a freelancing business is a dynamic process that rewards those who adapt and innovate. High Access is committed to supporting your growth as a freelancer. If you found this video series valuable, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips, tricks, and insights. We believe in your potential to earn $100 per day or more, and we're excited to witness your journey unfold. Remember, the world of freelancing is vast and filled with opportunities. Keep pushing your boundaries, keep refining your craft, and keep dreaming big. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable adventure. We look forward to seeing you achieve your financial and personal goals as you continue to thrive in the freelance world. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep reaching for new heights in your freelancing endeavors. Happy freelancing!